Stop scrolling. Want to master days, dates, months, and time in a fun and easy way? Whether you're just starting or brushing up your skills, this lesson is for everyone. Let's dive in and make learning enjoyable. Ready? Let's go.
Let's start with the days of the week.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. When we talk about dates, we do not use the normal, ordinary numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. We use ordinal numbers. We do not say today is Monday 1. We say today is Monday 1st. First is an ordinal number. Let's practice the other ordinal numbers together. Keep on practicing. It gets better with time. Have you subscribed, liked, and shared with a friend? Kindly do, we want to grow together.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st.
Have you ever wondered how we keep track of time throughout the year? Or why some months are cold and snowy while others are hot and sunny? Well, today, we're going on a journey through the 12 months of the year. Get ready to learn the names of the months and discover what makes each one special. Are you ready? Let's go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Understanding time. We're going to learn how to tell time in English. There are two ways to go about it: analog and digital. Digital is the first way. It is easy. We just say the numbers we see. This says 2:45. It's 11:45. It's 12 o'clock. Let's look at more structured examples. What's the time? It's 11:35. What's the time? It's 2 o'clock. What's the time? It's 8:15. What's the time? It's 12:30. Analogue. Now let's try the classic way. This is a round clock. When we use this clock, we talk about minutes past or minutes to the hour. What's the time? It's 4:30. What's the time? It's 7 o'clock. What's the time? It's 3:15. What's the time? It's 2:45. Today, we covered a lot. First, we started by learning about the days of the week and months of the year so we can talk about when things happen. Then, we practiced using dates and ordinal numbers to specify days in a month, like the 1st, 2nd, or 3rd. After that, we focused on telling time, which we learned has two main ways. Analog clocks, with hour and minute hands. Digital clocks, with numbers showing the time directly. Remember, knowing the days, dates, months, and how to tell time helps us stay organized and communicate important information. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Great job today!